Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. In this video, we are going to share with you how you can create this WhatsApp button in WordPress. That's it. Super simple, straightforward, and we are going to see some options you can, enable, disable. This is all, up to you. What we need to do first, of course, we need to create the widget so we can insert the widget in our WordPress website. The widget can be, simple, complex. You can have a form. If you don't want the form, you can remove it. You can have a countdown if you want. You don't need to have it. But, we are going to use this for the example. This is a very simple WhatsApp button, but there are more options behind it. But, for now, we are going to stick with the button. So we take this key that is is the code we need to insert in the WordPress plugin. So let's go to WordPress. Let's go here. We have done a plugin just for that. So you can download the plugin and you can put it in your WordPress website, and you're going to understand why we have done this plugin. So we put the key here, we save, and we have the button on WhatsApp. Okay, so that's it. Super simple, straightforward. The button is working. This is a WordPress. We are happy. We love it. Okay, now is when things start to get complicated. Like, hey, okay, but I need something different or something specific for case studies section, or I want to have an agent for this section, or I want to distribute the work, or something very common. I need different languages. No, I have different languages in my website, so I need different languages for different users. So I can have a widget for German speaking users. I can have another widget for other languages. So I need to have a WhatsApp button, but I need more control of the button, and I need to be able to switch different widgets, different numbers, different, you name it. So this is the reason we create this plugin for you. The idea is to have, you can add a widget. Let's call this the main widget, the main button. This is the button that is going to be everywhere. And then you can exclude pages. You can exclude specific pages because you don't want to show the widget in those cases. No, for example, I don't know, this case study, most popular. So let's go here and we search for most popular. This one, for example, and we exclude pages or posts from having the widget. So we exclude this one. So if we reload, there is no widget anymore. The widget is gone. We don't have the button there. Let's say you want to have another widget in that page, or as we show, in 4 different languages. You can add the key for a specific directories. Directories means languages for your website. So this is kind of very detailed, very granular. You can really put here this option, put here that option inside your WordPress website. Why we have done it? Why it's like that? Why we work like this? Because a WordPress website can mean very different things for very different users. We have clients where they have different promotions, different campaigns, different landing pages built inside WordPress. So you have your website with WordPress, but then you have different landing pages inside the WordPress, or different categories, or different products, or different options, and you want to have different agents or different widgets or different phone numbers associate to that WhatsApp number, to that WhatsApp link, to that WhatsApp agent. So this is the reason you have all these options with this plugin. The idea is to give you more control, to give you more understanding of what's happening, and also to distribute the work, more efficiently, within your team, agents, sales team, you name it. So, we can start with a simple WhatsApp button like this one, and you can put it everywhere. You just need to put here the code. That's it. It works super simple. And then you can start to define, okay, where I don't want the button and where I want to change that button for another button. Associate to a different number, associate to a different agent, associate to a different, metric or conversion, or, you name it. So that's the idea. Hope you like it. It's not like this is for advanced users. That's not the idea. The idea, this is for everyone. And, you can start, with a button for everything. But then as you move forward with your business, as you move forward, with your, conversion, with your channels, if you do campaigns, for example, it's very convenient to have a different widget for, the campaigns. So, this is completely up to you, but, we want to help you as much as we can with a nice, WordPress chat, WhatsApp chat button, from very simple to very complex. Okay. Well, hope you like it, and thank you. Bye bye.